Hey, what's going on? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca. And today I am excited to bring you a video on a brand new product that we are bringing into Canada called the LDS Dash Camera Battery Pack. And we have three different versions, which you can see in the video. We have the P5, the P6, and the P7. Now I have the P7 charged up, so I'm going to show you the features with that, but I just want to go through what the differences is between them. So as you can see, physical size, they are small, bigger, biggest, or small, larger, largest, and there's a distinct reason. So the capacity of this battery pack and the capacity of this battery pack are one and the same, but there is an extra feature built into this battery pack, which is simply awesome. I've never seen it before. I think it's really cool, and there are some extra features packed into these guys, which I think you are going to enjoy. So let me get through the technical specs. What is a dash camera battery pack? Well, a dash camera battery pack is what you use if you are concerned about using a dash camera in parking mode, and if you're concerned about killing or draining your vehicle battery. So what do you do in that case? You add a dash camera battery pack. Now, one of the downsides to adding a dash camera battery pack is cost, and that's what's cool about our brand new LDS battery packs, is that they are going to be lower priced than similar priced or similar brand batteries on the market, like Thinkware and Blackview. These ones are going to be at a lower price, but with more features and more capacity. So with capacity in mind, basically what you're getting with the P5, you're getting a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. With the P6 and the P7, you're getting an 8,000 milliamp hour battery. And you may ask, well, what are the additional features? Well, some of the additional features are built-in LED flashlight and warning light. Let me show you that. Now that's a little bit of a gimmick feature, and I just want to cover that because I found it kind of funny at first when I heard about this. But if I turn the light on, so there you go. The manufacturer LDS has this feature built in, so you could pull the battery pack out of your vehicle and actually utilize this as a safety light, or you can change the brightness, or you can use it as a safety beacon. So if the vehicle broke down, you have the ability to have this warning light on the side of the road. I know it sounds kind of funny, but it is a feature that's built into the battery. Now, what are the other features that are built into the battery? Well, let me spin it around. They all have a built-in display, so they tell you the voltage and power levels of the battery, state of charge. They have a timer, so you can actually adjust the time that this outputs energy for. You can have it indefinitely, or you can have it set up to, I believe, 36 hours. So what that means is whatever time this is set to, so let's change the time. So you see it's changing as I push the button. Actually, let's go downwards. So 24 hours is the maximum time. So that means if I set it to 24 hours, it means that this would keep energy outputting from the battery for 24 hours of time. What other features do these batteries have? Well, they have high output, or high voltage, or high wattage, I should say, USB-A outputs. They have two, USB 1, USB 2, and that's included on the entry-level P5, USB 1, USB 2. 45 watts is what you're getting out of these. You've got a 45 watt type C USB, which is actually capable of charging things like a laptop or fast charging your phone, which is really cool. That's an additional feature that the other battery packs do not include. You theoretically could charge a new iPhone or an Android phone, like a Pixel 7, like what I'm filming this video on. You could charge a phone with a 45 watt type C output in literally probably 20 minutes. You would get to 60 or 70% plus. So that's an added bonus to these batteries. But there is another big feature that's included with this guy, the P7. And let me spin this around and show it to you. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got an AC out. It has got an inverter built into this, and I want to demonstrate to you in real time the inverter working on this battery. Oh, by the way, you can also hook up, if you wanted to, a solar charger to any of these batteries. And as you will see, they all have expansion packs. What does that mean? That means that you could piggyback multiple batteries together for additional power storage. So you can piggyback a P5 with a P6, or a P6 with a P7, or multiple P7s. But my suggestion would be, if you're going to do any piggybacking, do a P6 with a P7, or multiple P6s if you don't need the inverter on the P7. Before I show you the inverter on the P7, let me show you what comes in the packages of all of them. You get your power wire harness, you get a cigarette lighter plug if you want to charge that way, user guide, and Velcro for mounting. And again, these are all quite small. As you can see, the P5 fits in the palm of my hand. They weigh, this one weighs about 1/2 kilogram. This one is, I believe, 1.5 kilos. And this one is about 1.8, a little bit heavier because of the inverter. Let me grab something to plug in and I will turn the inverter on. So what do I have? I have this nice fancy Thinkware dash camera display. And this dash camera display works off of 110, okay? It's got an outlet. If I plug this in, that will come on. I will just move over here. So as you can see, I've got it plugged into the power source. I hold this button down, green light turns on, and there we go. I am powering, using this battery pack, this display board. So the inverter is a 100-watt output. So as you can see, it's a dash camera demonstration. It's not powering these cameras, these are demo cameras, but this LCD screen is being powered by the inverter, which in turn is being powered by the battery that's inside here. So I'm just gonna pop this off. So you can see it turns off. I can unplug this and I'll get into what this allows. So it's a 100-watt output. So, you know, you're talking about phone chargers, very low wattage requiring devices, but this is pretty cool because essentially now you've got portable power. And again, there is solar power recharging available, which you would basically do through this port, the DC in. We don't have the solar panel accessory yet, but any solar panel that has 12 volt out could be used to recharge this. Now, obviously, if this is being used as a dash camera battery, you're not going to be recharging it with solar, but this could be used essentially as a power source for anything, right? Like it doesn't have to be a dash camera. It's obviously got 12 volt output and it's got 110 output, which is a first. We have never seen a dash camera battery pack with this sort of technology built in. And you know, if you add it as a dash camera battery, now you get the benefit of an inverter in your vehicle with up to 100 watts of AC power, 110. Also, one of the things is this is voltage fluctuating. So you can actually plug in a 220, it comes with an adapter. So the actual output is 110, but you can actually plug a 220 device in there. Again, 100 watt of power consumption is what's supported by this. So LDS battery packs, the P5, the P6, the P7. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my Thinkware display. We will get these up on the website. I will include a link down below. Again, these are gonna be very, very attractively priced. So if you or someone you know is looking for a dash camera battery, consider LDS P5, LDS P6, or the flagship LDS P7 with the inverter. I think that these are going to be a hit. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. Check out our website with the link down below for a link to these batteries. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.